Have you been trying to expand your vocabulary? Well, today I'm going to help you in a specific way. We're going to take the very popular word say, and I'm going to show you 8 new words that you can use to communicate that idea, but more precisely and specifically. All right? Now, in case you've watched it, I do have another lesson which I had recorded on the same subject, which is 8 words that you can use instead of saying say. Why? Because there are lots and lots of words that you can use. And this way you'll speak in a more specific way, you'll be more clear, and you'll also be speaking in a more advanced way. So let's look at what these words are today. All right, let's begin. Number 1. If you don't use this word, then the new word, then you would just say something like, he said he wouldn't do it. That's the idea. The idea that you're trying to convey is that someone said, no, I won't do it. Instead of saying all of that, you could say, he refused. So he refused something. He refused means that he said he would not do something. So let's look at some examples, all right? He said he wouldn't do it, or he refused to see the doctor. Or he refused to refund our money. What does it mean to refund? To give back, okay? To return our money. So this word refused covers that idea of saying, no, I will not do something. And then you provide that additional information. Sometimes we could just say, he refused. For example, did he refund your money? No, he refused. That is also a correct and full sentence in English. Okay? All right, let's move on from there. Number 2, if you want to convey the idea that he felt the same way or he thought the same way, instead of saying all that, you could say, he agreed. You could just say that, he agreed. Or, to give you some examples, he agreed to lower the price. Or, he agreed with me. So someone could agree to do something, or someone could agree with someone. All right? So you see that we can use this word, and it's a very useful word. Did he agree? Yes, he agreed. He agreed to lower the price. All right? Good. Number 3. If you want to convey the idea that he said he did it. Specifically, this is for things to do with the police and to do with crime. All right? Something really bad. So usually it's something to do with legal matters. So instead of saying he said he did it, you could say he confessed. Okay? Before that he said, no, I didn't do it. No, I didn't do it. But then finally he said, yeah, I did it. He confessed. Okay? He confessed to the crime, or he confessed that he had stolen the money, for example, right? So he finally said, yes, I did it. All right? So he confessed. It doesn't have to be only for crime, but very often you will see it in this context. So let's just review the pronunciation quickly. He refused, he agreed, or he confessed. So do you remember the words? Let's check quickly. He said he wouldn't do it. He refused. Good. Say it with me. Or wait, check the board and then join me. He felt the same way, or he thought the same way. He agreed. Good. And the last one, he said yes, he did it. He confessed. Say it after me. Confessed. Good. Let's learn some more words. Number 4. She said something that we didn't know. Instead of all that, we can capture that idea in the word revealed. She revealed the secret. Or she revealed the reason for her decision. So when you reveal something, you show something or say something that you had not said before or that people didn't know before. All right? She said something we didn't know. She revealed the secret. She revealed the reason. Got it? Good. Say it after me. Revealed. Good. Number 5. She said everything in greater detail. Instead of all that, you could simply say, she explained. What kind of things can you explain? She explained all the rules. She explained how to use the app. Got it? Say it after me. Explained. Good. She said it again. Instead of all those words, you could say, she repeated. All right? For example, she repeated the instructions. Or she repeated herself. What does that mean? What do you think that means? She repeated herself means she had said it before and then she herself said it again, the same thing, even though we didn't ask her or anything. So she repeated herself. All right? Next, number 7, she said we had to do it. Or she ordered us to evacuate. What does it mean to evacuate? It means to leave a dangerous area and go away to a place of safety. If there's a hurricane coming or an earthquake or something like that, okay? She ordered us to evacuate. Or she ordered them to surrender. To surrender means to give up. All right? So let's repeat the pronunciation again. Repeated, ordered, revealed, and explained. Remember the words? She said something we didn't know. She revealed. Good. She said everything in detail. She explained. That's it. Good. I heard you. She said it again. She repeated. And the last one, she said we had to do it. She ordered. All right, she ordered us or something like that. Good. Here's one more. She said what we thought was true. How could we say that? She confirmed that everyone was safe. That means we thought everyone was safe and she said, yes, everyone is safe. She confirmed it. Or she confirmed that the flight was delayed. In other words, we thought the flight was delayed. We heard the flight might be delayed, and she confirmed that the flight was delayed. All right? So you've just learned 8 wonderful new verbs, perhaps, that you could use in a variety of contexts in your social life, in your business life, or in academic work or exams to get a higher score, to speak more fluently and clearly. All right? And again, as I mentioned, this is the second such video. So if you would like to know 8 more words, wonderful words that you could use instead of the word to say, please check out our other video on the same subject. All right? But with 8 wonderful new words. Then you will have how many? 16 new ways to say. All right? Take care. Bye for now.